Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about Monopoly Go, and I'm going to show you guys how I managed to get a mod which gave me so many dice rolls. I'm going to show you I got unlimited dice rolls, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial, guys, that how I did it. So if you want to do it, you can do it also you. So this method, I found it out, guys. It is working for the both devices, iOS and Android devices. I'm using today my iPhone to show you the steps, but the same steps are working also for the Android users. Okay, if you want me to make a tutorial for Android, just let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm going to do a tutorial with my Samsung, which I'm recording with it right now. As I mentioned before, the steps are the same, so I don't think you might need it. But anyway, if you want me to, for any kind of reason that you might have, just hit me up in the comments below, guys, and I will do a tutorial for the Android users also. As I mentioned before, I already tested in both devices. It's working for the both devices fine and same. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to open real quick the game so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you that how you can do it. I'm just going to keep pressing over here. Okay, so it goes automatically, and you just can see it what is going to happen. As you can see, okay, and now it will get 60 more, and now it's automatic dice rolls, guys, so you can see that everything is going to happen by itself. I'm just going to collect this money first. Okay, also this one, I'm just going fast, and you can see it by yourself. So I'm not going to stay too long inside of the game, so don't make the video too long. We'll go immediately to show you that what you have to do, where you have to go, and what and how you can get it the mod. So guys, before we start the loading process of this mod, you just need to make few changes in the settings before, if you didn't do it before. If you did it, there is no need to make these changes again. So we'll go to the settings right now together, and then you need to scroll it down till to the general over here, and then scroll it down to the background upper flash again. Make sure you're gonna select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Why? This is important that internet connection doesn't disconnect for any kind of reason, so the whole process can be done correctly. So after you check this one first, then you have to get back to the settings again. You go to the battery over here. If you are using a lower power mode, guys, this yellow sign on the top, make sure you're gonna switch it off before. After you finish the whole process, you can come back to the settings and switch it on again if you like to have lower power mode active. Okay, so guys, these steps that I already show you right now are required only for the iOS users. For the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. So all you have to do, you just need to go straight to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer, guys, and just need to type this website, which I'm going to type for you, and I'm going to focus it. Here we are, and just a few seconds to get connected with the site. And here we are inside of it. You just need to go to the searching bar here on top. You just need to write the name of the game. Here we are, press in the middle, and then press download button, and it will start the loading process of this mod. So by the end of this process, guys, you're gonna be able to install the mod and generate the role same as me. So this is my video tour for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Cheers.